Wouldn't it be great if every time you had a funny thought, it was already on a script, already said on stage, or already published and posted on social media? Yeah, that'd be convenient, but it would also kill the fun because the satisfaction comes from the work. Comedy's got obstacles: writer's block, stage time, no inspiration. If you treat these like separate problems, you can get overwhelmed. But if you see this as an opportunity where one action solves multiple problems, you can start building yourself a comedy system. To give you an example, here's what I've been working on over the years. I riff live on a podcast and it's raw and unstructured. That's my writing. Then I try to structure it and turn it into content, like newsletters, one-liners, and skits. Then I go on stage and then I unstructure it all over again and I go off memory based on what I've written before. And then this feedback loops right into whenever I go live again and riff on a podcast. Everything feeds itself into this writing system. And over time, I realized this is one of the most consistent ways for my comedy voice to show up. And sometimes I even surprise myself. And I'd like to point out that this works for me because I like conversational comedy. I like going into flow. But you gotta find out how it works for you. To do that, you gotta ask yourself, what results do you want in comedy? What are those obstacles that stop you from getting started? And where can one step solve multiple things at once whenever you come across these obstacles? I'd like for you to experiment with this idea of a comedy system because the world is turning more and more automatic, and we as comedians might as well do the same so that we can master our comedy voice faster.